So it's true, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will bring a massive change to its iteration. We just saw Samsung teasing an all-screen notchless smartphone design at the Galaxy A event, and most of the tech reporters believe that there should be a camera hole at the top of the screen with no bezels. This is obviously not a convenient way of increasing the screen to body ratio, as we will still have that black dot while watching videos, playing games, surfing internet, etc, etc. The point is that after a whole year of trolls and news, is Samsung planning to introduce a black dot in the replacement of a black notch? Yes, but up to a limit. The limit is for Galaxy A8s and maybe some future mid-range phones. Now you must be thinking about the future of flagship series. Bloomberg believes that there will be a front hole design on the Galaxy S10 as well. They say the standard S10, code-named Beyond, features an OLED screen curved on both sides, round-shaped corners, and almost no bezels at the top and bottom. The people said it will be about the same size as the current 5.8-inch S9 model. The S10 has triple cameras on the back, while the front camera is visible and tucked under the screen, the people said. Samsung also plans a bigger Plus version for the next year. Now, there may be some roots for this story, but for me, this is the most funny story I've ever heard about S10 till date. We will be getting 3 S series phones next year, where we might see the former two variants with the whole design, but for the S10 Plus, Samsung will introduce an all-screen design as suggested by All About Samsung. They say that according to some well-informed sources, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will boost a screen-to-body ratio of 93.4%. Now, for your imagination, the Oppo Find 10 has a screen-to-body ratio of 93.8%, and if this report is true, then I have no words to say, as having a design like this without any motorized sliding mechanism is awesome. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and don't forget to watch my previous S10 video, as it has a lot of information about the upcoming device. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.